This dance is called Abieber. It's a 4-wall, 32 count, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walking forward. Here you go. So walk right, left, right. Kick the left, go back, left, right, left. Touch the right beside the left. Do that one more time. Off on that right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Line to the right. So step right to the side. Cross the left behind the right. Step the right to the side. Touch the left beside the right. Repeat going to the left. We're going to put a quarter turn on it. So step the left to the side. Cross the right behind the left. Turn, quarter turn to the left. Turning your whole body, not twisting it. And touch the right beside the left. So there's no weight going on these touch steps. From the top, walking forward. 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Side, behind, side. Touch, side, behind. Turn, touch. We're going to repeat those bind steps again. Going to the right to start with. So it's right, cross left behind, step right to the side, touch the left. Step left to the side, cross right behind, quarter turn left, and touch the right beside the left. From the top up to there, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. We're going to finish the dance off with a K step. And it's called a K step because if you imagine a capital K, you're actually drawing that V of the K on the floor. So starting off with that right foot, step the right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right. Step left diagonally back on the left, touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back on the right, touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally forward, touch the right beside the left. So just do that K step once more. Off on that right foot. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Side, behind, side. Touch. Side, behind. Turn. Touch. Side, behind, side. Touch. Side, behind. Turn. Touch. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Step, touch, and you're ready to start the dance again. Okay. So it's a 2-wall dance. Let's do 2 walls, then we'll try some music. Off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Side, behind, side. Touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Side, behind, side. Touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Step, touch. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, 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 touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, and start the dance again. Okay, that's your walk through. Let's have a go to some music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Step, touch. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, back, back. Touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn. Touch. Step, touch, back, touch. Back, touch, step, Vines.
We had fun, problem on we should.
Cave
A
share.
little too evil for my own good.
Thoughts.
You got me in trouble again.
Vines.
Try to be good, but I just can't. I
Vines.
must sold my soul when I became your friend.
Haystack.
You got me in trouble again. Well, I was at home trying to get some sleep last night when I woke up with something evil in my mind. I looked a little closer, what do you know? It was you just smiling, saying, baby, let's go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh yeah. You got me in trouble again. Tried to be good, but I just can't. I must have sold my soul when I became your friend. 'Cause you got me in trouble again. And you got me in trouble again. Try to be good, but I just can't. I must have sold my soul when I became your friend. 'Cause you got me in trouble again. You got me in trouble again. Try to be good, but I just can't. I must have sold my soul when I became your friend. You got me in trouble again. Oh, you got me in trouble again.
Well done, everyone.